Okay, here's the Rotor robot back together, the Cragstand. I'll put a link down below to the inside look of what's going on inside this, and actually another link to the one that I have out in the Robothut, which is the same color combinations. So you can see plenty of versions of that. You got your on-off switch on the back. Like I say before, this is the latch that keeps the battery door closed. Plus, there's some nice clicking sounds. Got the rotating eyes. Got the moving arms. And there you can see the cams on the bottom. I'm having battery contact problems when I lean it back. So I'll go in and I'll clean those contacts. See if that's what's going on there. But I wanted you to be able to see the cams. Alright, just a short little video showing how it ended up after I replaced the melted out rubber band with a rubber drive belt. I believe it's from a VCR or something. Anyway, I had a bag of various belts that were used in cassette decks, VCRs, things like that. You can buy bags of assorted belts on eBay and dig through it till you found one about the right length. You don't want anything too tight because it jams everything up. And of course, if it's too loose, then the R's aren't going to rotate. So there you have it. Rotor, Cragstand, 1970.